Hey guys, welcome back to another quick informal video. In today's video, we're talking about Cricket Wireless and how you can save some money with a multi-month unlimited plans. So it's going to be a very short video. At least I'll try to make it short and explain everything to it. So if you do have Cricket Wireless and you do want to save some money, which I do know some customers that like to pay a little bit ahead so you can save some money, let's go ahead and check it out. So very nice. Right on their front page, it says pay in advance and save with multi-month unlimited plan from Cricket Wireless. So this is kind of the wholesale. So they're wholesaling the data. Think about it as a Costco or a Sam's Club. The more bulk data they sell or plan, should I say, in this situation, the cheaper you usually can get it. And that's usually what happens with bulk selling, like I said, Costco or Sam's Club. Just think about that basically. So multi-month unlimited plans to fit your budget. So here you go. There's three that you can actually pick from. So instead of $55 a month for this guy, so they're talking about the unlimited talk, text, and data. Now you are subject to throttling your speeds in times of congestion. So if you're in an area that's heavily congested, like a concert or a fair or somewhere, a big shopping center, like a mall, then your speeds might be reduced. They will be reduced, should I say, just because there's no priority data for you. So, but either, like I said, we'll get into those details in a little bit. But let's get into the pricing. So, it's going to depend how much you pay up front. So, how much you bulk buy. Let's start with the lowest. So, if you pay $120 today, no bill for 3 months. So, if you're paying your service for 3 months, guys, that's $40 a month per line, or for a single line, should I say, in this situation. Like I said, because it's 120 divided by 3 is 40. So basically that's where you'll get the math. So if you pay $120, you'll get service for $40 a month, which is not bad at all. It's pretty good. You're saving. Now the max savings, of course, will be this way, but if you prepaid for 6 months, that's a prepaid total of $210. You pay that today, you will get service for $35 a month for 6 months. So think about it. You're paying half a year's worth of service, which is $210, which is actually not bad. That's usually for big carriers. That's a month and a half, maybe 2 months. So that's not bad. You're getting 6 months or half a year for that. So you're technically getting it for $35 a month. Now the cheapest route you'll get is $30 a month, or it's $360 today. So that's for 12 months. That's how you get the 30, guys. So for basically you're paying a year's worth of service, it'll cost you $360, which 360 days in the year. So that's $30 per month, which is super doable and cheap. Now, of course, there's other carriers that you can get technically service for $25 a month, but we won't get into that right now. Like I said, we're talking about Cricket Wireless, and normally, yes, for their unlimited data, it is $55. But if you bulk buy, then yes, you will get savings. Like I said, it's 40, 35, or 30, depending if you do 12 months, 6 months, or 3 months, will determine how much you're paying upfront and determine as well how much it will cost you. So, what do you get? You might be saying, well, what do you get? It says 5G speeds were available with compatible devices. So if there's a 5G in your area, you will get 5G speeds. For all data usage, Cricket may slow data speeds during periods of network congestion. That's what I was telling you. So if you go to a concert, there's a lot of people, your speeds will get reduced. You will get deprioritized. That means you won't be ahead of the line. You'll be in the back of the line. So with speeds, just be worried about that. That's a big thing. It almost makes your speeds unusable. So just be worried about that. Stream a video limit to max. So when you're watching videos, it limits to max of 1.5 megabits per second, or about 480p. You can watch videos. Even though you have full coverage and unlimited data, they want you to watch the videos at 480p on your phone. Now on Wi-Fi, it's unlimited. Well, you can do 4K if you want to. Tethering or use of devices as a mobile hotspot is prohibited. No add-ons. Ooh. Requires new single line account. Cannot merge with an existing account, so it has to be a new single line. Bring your own device required for activation. After activation, device upgrade is allowed. Must be a full retail price. No feature monthly or recurring. No bridge pay. No autopay credit. Autopay enrollment is permitted, so you will not get any kind of autopay discount if you do autopay, because they're already giving you a discount. But you can do autopay. Customers can change plan only in the last 30 months. At the end of a billing cycle, the customer can re-enroll on the same multi-month pack, pick a new month option, or move to month. And then, of course, ACP, one benefit per bill cycle, 3, 6, or 12 months. So not too bad. Of course, that's ACP is government assistance where you can get a discount on the bill. So like I said, try to make this video short and sweet. Hopefully, you do like it and you can bring your own device. So not too bad, guys. Short and sweet for you guys. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. More news and videos and phone reviews coming soon to you guys. Make sure to subscribe. Check out the comments below for ways you can support the channel, which I would appreciate it. So check it out, guys. Thank you.